Guys, one of the common questions from today's lesson is slide number 7 on the Desmos activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the 3 different transformations. So it gives you a triangle to start with, and it gives you the coordinates for the triangle. So I have those labeled over here as our pre-image. And what we're going to do is we're going to take each of those coordinates and transform them based on the transformation. So our first transformation is a translation, and it asks us to go right 2 and up 4. What that means, since we're going right, that's the positive direction, we're going to take every x coordinate and we're going to add 2 to the x coordinate. We're going to take every y coordinate and add 4. Okay, so my first image is now my first point is now going to be at 7, 9. The next one's going to be at 6, 7. The next one's going to be at 4, 11. And then the last one's going to be at 7, 9. Okay, so that's our first transformation. Now we need to reflect over the line y equals x. So the line y equals x, I went ahead and plotted that on the coordinate plane. It's already plotted on your Desmos graph. It's this purple line right here. Notice that that is a horizontal line, y equals x. When we do a reflection, we want to count how far away the coordinates are to find the new coordinates. So let me show you what I mean. Notice how I plotted my triangle in blue. This triangle is from our first transformation. This is the translation. Now I need to reflect over the line y equals x. So I'm going to reflect each point one at a time. I'm going to start with my 7, 9 point, and I'm going to count how far away is it from this line. Well, it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. That means I need to start at the line and count down 6 units. So my new coordinate is going to be at 7, -3. All right. My next coordinate that I'm going to move is this 6, 7. I'm going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, which means I need to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be here at the point 6, -1. Okay, my last coordinate, I'm starting here. I'm counting down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means I need to go down 8 from the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my final coordinate of my triangle is here at 4, -6. So let's go ahead and make the triangle. Here is our new triangle. Okay. And notice if you look at it, it looks like it was flipped over that line. If I could fold this paper on the line y equals 3, the green triangle would fold up on top of the blue triangle. So let's go ahead and record those coordinates over here. So our first coordinate, 7, 9, went to 7, -3. Our next coordinate, 6, 7, went to 6, -1. Okay, our last coordinate, 4, 11, went to 4, -5, and then notice that these coordinates are just a repeat. Okay, so that coordinate is 7, -3. Notice none of the x coordinates changed. That's correct, because we're reflecting over the line y equals 3. We're changing all the y coordinates. Okay, so our last transformation is to reflect over the x-axis. When we reflect over the x-axis, we're going to take our x values and make them negative and keep the y values the same. Okay, so that becomes -7, -3, -6, -1, -4, -5, and -7, -3. When you plot those into Desmos, it automatically makes a triangle for you, and that will be your final answer. These coordinates right here, that's the table I'm looking for. These would get you full credit on slide number 7.